Is your Google TV not turning on at all? This can be really frustrating. But don't worry, there are a few common causes and simple fixes. This usually happens due to power supply issues, loose cable or faulty adapter, remote not working properly, system freeze or software glitch. In this guide, I'll show you the best solutions to get your Google TV powering back on. Solution 1. Check the power source. Make sure the power cable is firmly plugged in, both the TV and the wall outlets. Unplug the TV cable from the wall or power outlet and wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and then try again. You can also try a different outlets or use another compatible power adapter or cable to rule out hardware issues. And aside from that, if you have plugged extra cables like HDMI or VGA, you should remove them from your TV. HDMI cables can sometimes confuse the TV's power circuit. Solution 2. Restart with remote or device button. Press and hold the power button on your remote for about 10 seconds. This sometimes brings the TV back to life. If that doesn't work, you can use your TV power button. If your TV has a physical power/reset button, press it once to try booting it up. Usually that button is either on the top of your TV or on the bottom part of your TV. So, look it up and see if you can find it and try powering your TV on with it. If this method works, the problem was likely your remote. But if this does not work either, the issue was most likely hardware related. You should contact a repair service for help in that case. And that basically covers it up. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.